Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that has caught our eye, the GoPro Hero, a compact waterproof action camera that takes your adventure photography to the next level. We found this product online and have included a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the GoPro Hero? This action camera is designed for those who love to capture their adventures in stunning detail. Weighing in at only 86 grams, it's ultra-compact, making it incredibly easy to carry along wherever you go. With 35% less volume and 44% less mass than its predecessor, the Hero 12 Black, this camera is so light that it can easily fit in your pocket or backpack. Now, let's talk about some of its standout features. Firstly, the GoPro Hero is rugged and waterproof, capable of withstanding depths of up to 16 feet or 5 meters. This means you can take it along for all sorts of adventures, whether you're skiing down snowy slopes, mountain biking through muddy trails, or exploring underwater. Its legendary durability ensures that it will keep up with you in any environment. Another feature worth mentioning is the super simple controls. Capturing breathtaking footage has never been easier, just frame your shot and hit the shutter button. This user-friendly interface is perfect for both beginners and seasoned pros who want to spend more time capturing the moment rather than fumbling through complicated settings. In terms of image quality, the GoPro Hero does not disappoint. It captures action in stunning 4K Ultra HD video and takes 12MP photos, ensuring your memories are preserved in high resolution. Plus, you can easily grab 8MP stills from your favorite video moments using the GoPro Quick app. This feature is particularly useful for action-packed scenarios where you want to capture that perfect shot without worrying about your camera settings. So, who is the GoPro Hero suitable for? This camera is perfect for adventure enthusiasts, travelers, vloggers, and anyone who wants to share their experiences in vivid detail. Whether you're hiking, biking, surfing, or simply enjoying a day out with friends, the GoPro Hero is designed to capture every moment. Now, let's discuss some practical use cases. If you're a thrill seeker, you might take this camera skiing or snowboarding, capturing exhilarating downhill runs. If you're a beach lover, you can document your underwater adventures while snorkeling or swimming. It's also a fantastic tool for travel vlogging. Imagine capturing scenic views of new cities or breathtaking landscapes, all with a camera that's small enough to fit in your palm. In summary, the GoPro Hero is an excellent choice for anyone looking to capture high-quality video and images on the go. Its compact size, waterproof capabilities, and user-friendly design make it accessible for all skill levels. With this action camera by your side, you'll be ready to document your life's adventures like never before. Thanks for